What's up, guys, and welcome to today's video. My name is Nick, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you what you could and should be doing with the books that you are trying to sell on Amazon, but are in fact restricted from selling on Amazon. This would include mostly textbooks and then super popular books that basically are kind of flooded in the Amazon marketplace. You're looking primarily for super profitable books for Amazon, right? But sometimes you can't sell them. And so I'm going to show you another option to at least recoup your initial investment and make some profit dollars on top of that. You probably won't get what you would get on Amazon. However, you will come out with a higher ROI, return on investment, than you would if you just threw those books away. But first, before we jump into this, I want to encourage you that if you are an Amazon seller and you've been selling longer than 3 months and you average $2,000 of revenue per month, and you are struggling to grow, or you would like to grow at a more rapid pace, I made a video explaining a tool that I use called Payability, where they front you the money that is already yours, that is sort of waiting in limbo in Amazon's system. I'm linking that video right above here. If you want to check that out, click on the card and it will take you there, or you can wait until the end of this video and it will be on the end screen. You can check it out there. When you sign up with Payability using the link that is in the description of this video and all of my other recent videos, you will get $150 just for signing up. This is a tremendous opportunity. They do great work and they really helped my business grow exponentially. This is not a sponsored ad or anything like that, so just know that. And let's jump into today's video. So what I'm going to share with you is basically how to take books that you're restricted from selling on Amazon and then sell them on eBay to recoup your money. I ran into a subscriber yesterday when I was at the thrift store sourcing books. He recognized me and then we started chatting about selling books online. And he said, you know, I've got so many books that are just sitting at home because I'm restricted from selling them on Amazon. I don't know what to do. He didn't want to throw them away. And, you know, what do you do with them at that point? Because books that sit on the shelf or sit on the table and are not listed are simply not going to make any money. And so I wanted to share with you what I do. I just list them on eBay. I find comparable completed sales. I look at the prices. Most of my books I pay $1 to $2 for. And so anything above $10 or so, I can get my money back plus a few bucks profit. And that makes me very happy. Oftentimes when I am listing these books, I will list them as free shipping. Some of them I don't, but for the most part I do, in order to entice the buyer to buy my book over someone else who may be charging extra for shipping. So we're going to go through this, and then I'm going to take one book. I have not researched this book on eBay. This is called The Fundamentals of Ethics, 4th edition, Russ Schaefer Landau. It's Oxford University Press. I'm going to take this book. I'm going to find it on eBay, and I'm going to search it out and list it. I am restricted from selling this book. I guess maybe because it's a textbook, or maybe it's because it's from the Oxford Publishing Company. And so we are going to kind of do everything all at once, and hopefully this will be a profitable book and it will work out in my favor. I paid $1 for this book, and so anything that I can sell it for above 10 bucks, I will be looking at a profit. With that being said, let's jump into my computer here. All right, here I have some recently completed sales dating back to July 17th. So here on July 17th, I sold this Therapeutic Recreation Program Design Principles and Procedures 5th edition. Super boring to me. I got this out of a Gaylord from the Goodwill. If you are a consistent subscriber or follower on Instagram, you'll know that for a period of time, I bought Gaylords of books, which is basically just pallets of books. And I would spend anywhere from $600 to $900 for 6 of them. And then I would go through, find all the profitable books, and list them. A lot of them I was not able to send to Amazon, and so I sold them on eBay. This particular book, we'll say that I paid $2 for it. Let's go high and say that I paid $2 for it. I sold it for $24.77. That book was free shipping. I simply wrapped it with a nice packaging paper, stuck it in a poly mailer, and sent it on its way using media mail. It is the cheapest option for shipping, but please know that it has to be a book or a CD or a DVD to be considered media mail. The next book is called Compensation, Irwin Management 12th edition. I sold it for $47.31. I paid $2 for this book at the DAV thrift store. The next book came from a Gaylord. It was Emergency Care and Transportation of the Sick and Injured, 11th edition. I paid essentially $2 and made $40 off of it. Haynes Repair Manual, General Motors, GM, Chevrolet, HHR, 2006 through 2011. I bought this book for $1 at a book sale and sold it for $14.77. It's not a lot of money. The shipping on that was probably $2.85 or $3.50 or something like that. And then, we average 15% for eBay and PayPal fees. So it wasn't incredible, but we made a few bucks. I am restricted from selling Haynes repair manuals, most of them on Amazon. And so this was definitely a good way to recoup my money. And so with these things, I just kind of set them and forget them. And it works out in my favor. This last book we're going to look at is 1970 Chevelle and El Camino Monte Carlo Factory Assembly Instruction Manual. Sold it for $25.77. Bought it for $1 at a book sale. The same book sale that I got that Haynes repair manual from. This one sat up on eBay for a little while. Eventually it sold for $25.77. I paid the free shipping, which was a few bucks. And then after PayPal and eBay fees, made a good, I don't know, $15 or $16. This probably could have gone for more if it was on Amazon. However, once again, restricted from selling it, stuck it on eBay, set it and forget it. It only takes a couple minutes to do each book. I've already done 5 books this morning. And yeah, set it there, let it go. Eventually they'll sell. It's just kind of like an occasional drip into your bank account to make you a little bit of money. All right, so we're going to go on to the actual eBay homepage. And I'm just going to type in the fundamentals of... All right, so this is extremely good. This is excellent, in fact. There's only 2 results. Let's scroll down here. There's only 2 results for sale right now. So that has me very happy. One's pre-owned, one is brand new. The brand new is going for $54 plus free shipping. The pre-owned is $31 plus free shipping. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down, and on the left-hand side right here, I'm going to click sold items. You want to look at sold items. You want to see if it's even selling, what it's selling for. It doesn't matter what it's for sale for. You want to know what it has already sold for. All right, so we see that there was one that sold for $25 plus shipping, but it's got a line through it here, which means that they took a best offer, maybe $20. Then you have the Fundamentals of Ethics, 4th edition, $20, 90 cents plus shipping, and it's scratched out. So maybe they took like $19.99. They took some sort of offer on that. Then you see $15.50 plus shipping pre-owned, $12.49 plus shipping pre-owned. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here at $24.77, and I am going to list it for $24.77 plus free shipping. I should walk away with $20 minus the 15%. So about $15 to $18 will be my profit on a $1 book. So simply just going to go to, let's see which one looks better here. I feel like this top listing is a little bit better. So we're going to say sell one like this. I'm going to open this listing up in a separate tab while this sell one like this kind of opens up in this tab. The reason for that is I want to click on this. I want to go as fast as humanly possible. And the reason for doing this, for opening up the listing itself, is I don't want to have to take pictures of my book. So I'm simply going to capture the pictures that they already posted. All right, so we're adding the photos right now, and then we've added the ISBN. It's in very good condition. It's paperback. It's about ethics. Just kind of like going quickly down the list. Down here in the item description, I'm very, very simple about it. Basic information, okay? So I just reiterate that it's very good condition. Very good condition. Previously owned. Free shipping. Because honestly, with the buyer, these are the 3 things that they're most concerned about. How much is the shipping? What's the condition? Is it new or used? Boom. Other than that, I'm pretty much done popping the price. I'm actually going to go for $26.77. Always end your numbers for any sale price with the number 7. Psychologically, whenever you're talking about buyer psychology, the number 7 is the number of completion. And so it feels gratifying when you end a number in 7. That's why big stores like Target and Walmart and a lot of grocery stores end their numbers in 7, or in their prices in the number 7, $297, $387, $1067, like always in the number 7, because it causes the buyer to say, oh, this is not quite, that next number rounded up. It's not quite $10, it's $997. And so they feel like they're saving money. I don't know why that is, but it is literally like a proven scientific fact that I learned, and that's what we're going to go with. So 2677, and we're going to scroll down. We're going to click free shipping. That's in. One thing you have to remember to do is on the weight, just put whatever the weight is. I'm going to say this is probably like 1 to 2 pounds. I really think it's less than that, but we'll just toss that in there. I'm not really worried about boosting my visibility with this. Then I just click list item. All right, there we go. Success. You've listed your item for sale. That's it, and I'm done now. Guys, this could not be easier. It's super simple, and it allows me to get these books that I can't sell on Amazon out of my house relatively quickly. What I do is I basically have a shipping box set up, and it says items listed on eBay. And I just stack these books in there very neatly, and then whenever one of them sells, I pull it and I ship it. I have another shipping box right next to that that says items needed to be listed on eBay. And so I'll pop these in here. And I'm not very consistent with this. I'll put these books in there, make a little pile, hit them like once a week, do 5 or 6 or 10 or whatever, and then go about my day. I kind of only do this when things are slow. If I listed a lot faster, obviously the money would come in a lot faster. Not too concerned about it, but it is good kind of busy work for a little bit of money down the road. I hope you guys got value out of this video, and I hope it kind of unlocked a pathway to making a little bit more money and not sitting on, essentially junk Amazon books because you can't sell them. If I did earn a like, I would greatly appreciate that thumbs up on this video. If you're not already subscribed, consider subscribing. Then after you've subscribed and click that notification bell, head on over to Facebook to my Amazon FBA Mastermind group. It's simply Amazon FBA Mastermind with Nick Woolsey. The link is in the description below, and check out what we've got going over there. It's a great conversation that we have going on and a lot of tips and tricks and tools. Can't wait to see you guys there, and looking forward to seeing you on the next video as well. Take care.